Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make Pangsit Goreng, which is Indonesian wontons, which we're gonna deep fry. So stay tuned.
Have some good food, plant-based. Welcome to VeganAsian.
So what do you need? You need the little wonton sheets. They look like this. Make sure they are vegan, so always check the ingredients. Then for the filling, I have this minced pea-based meat, let's say. So it looks like meat, but it's actually peas. Totally vegan. A spring onion, some chives. This is 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger, and then 1 teaspoon of vetsin, and obviously some salt and pepper. Super easy, not a lot of ingredients, so let's get working. So we're gonna make the filling now, which is the minced pea paste. It really looks like meat, but it's not. Then we'll add all of the spices. So this is vetsin, ginger, and the garlic. Plenty of garlic, the more the better, I think. And then we're gonna roughly chop up these greens. So let me do the chives first. Then to the mixture. So this little thing at the end, you can actually put in some water and then it will grow some new spring onions. So little tip. So we want to cut the spring onion really fine. Don't use the super dark green parts because that's not tasty at all. That's about it. Alright, adding the spring onion. And now mix it up. Simple as that. Alright, some salt and pepper. Salt, pepper, and mix it up until you have a nice texture to make little balls to go into our pangsit. Alright, so this is mixed up fairly nicely done, I'd say. And now we're gonna make these little balls to put into the wontons. You can wet your hands if you want to prevent it from sticking. I have a little teaspoon, which is the perfect amount that we need for the pangsit to go onto our sheets. So just a small amount, and then make the little balls. This and carry on until you're done with all your meat. Alright, so we have our tiny little pangsit right here, and then these sheets, so these are actually wonton, but pangsit is an Indonesian wonton, and we're gonna fold them. So, in the meantime, I have this frying pan with sunflower oil, about 180 degrees, and we can actually put them straight into there if we want to. So, what is this? This is just a mixture of water and flour, so that helps us to stick them all together. Because of course, we're not using any egg, so that's why we need something different, an alternative, let's say. Alright, so this is the wonton or the pangsit. And we're gonna place a little ball like this in the middle. Fold it over. Make sure the edges are wet up like this. And then, this is a little trick. We have to fold it back. So, like this. Stick them between your fingers, and as you can see, this is a perfectly nice pangsit. So, let's do this with all of them. So we have a couple of pangsit ready, so let's put them in the fryer. They don't take long, to be honest. You can also freeze them after you folded them, so always away from you. And they should move to the top immediately. Woohoo! They won't take long if the oil is hot enough. Think about 2-3 minutes until they're lightly golden, and then it's done. Simple as that. Turn them around if you want. So as you can see, they are lightly golden. This is perfect. So let's get them out of the fryer. They should be crunchy, which they are. And I have some kitchen towel on here, so all of the excess oil will escape all of my lovely Pangsit Goreng. And that's it, simple as that. Super easy recipe. Make them at home. Look at this beautiful Pangsit Goreng. Good luck, enjoy, and selamat makan!